Hello friends, in this video let's talk about what are the hardware and software requirements of Alteryx. In other videos we talked about what is Alteryx, what is the purpose of Alteryx, and what is the best use cases to use the Alteryx. Here we are going to talk about what is the minimum hardware and software requirements for the Alteryx installation. So let me quickly show you. In the other video I am planning to show you how to do the installation of Alteryx Designer as well and other components also. So let me go to the Alteryx website to see the recommendations of hardware and software requirements. So let me quickly go there. So this is the authorized Alteryx website. So where we can see the version of Alteryx Designer is 2023.2, 2023.2. So the current Designer version is this, and even maybe soon we might get the other version as well. So here, what is the minimum basic requirements we'll be talking about here. So here machine requirements. So minimum 64-bit operating system required. Even for high performance also it is 64-bit only. And minimum Microsoft Windows operating system, Windows 10 required. It does not support on Windows 7. Even for high performance also Windows 10 or higher. Even now, currently, like I hope you know, as of today, Windows 11 already released. Even my operating system is Windows 11 only. It is supported. So the 2023.2 version supports Windows 11 as well. Next, even it supports Mac OS as well. You can see here as per the Alteryx guidelines or Alteryx requirements. Next, CPU. So minimum 4 core, even for high performance also minimum 4 core required. When it comes to the processor, ideally most of our laptops or systems are coming with 2.5 GHz speed or faster even. So even for high performance also it's okay with 2.5 GHz or faster. The minimum when it comes to the RAM, when it comes to the minimum bare requirement, it required 8 GB. But when it goes to the, if you are expecting little good performance, high performance, then better to go for 16 GB of RAM. So when it comes to the disk size, 500 GB to 1 TB is common, even the bare minimum or high performance as well. So this is about the latest version .2. So when it comes to the .1, 2023.1 or other older versions when it goes there. So here also it's little similar only. Okay, even Windows, minimum 64-bit. Here also 64-bit and Microsoft Windows 10 here, and it is for this particular version team is evaluating this. It is supporting now, but yeah, but better to go with the latest version which is running in the market if you are doing now. So similarly, like a CPU, processor, RAM and disk size almost the same. Here, what exactly the Alteryx Designer is doing here is, see, it connects a wide range of data sources. It connects to SQL Server, it connects to SAP, it connects to CSV files, it connects to any RDBMS, and it can read the data, it can write the data, and it can manipulate the data depending upon the need. So if you want to see what are all the data sources supported by Alteryx Designer. Let me click on it. Here you can see it. So here it supports Adobe, it supports Alteryx database even .yxdb, read and write you can do, Alteryx Calgary, CYDB, read only. Okay, so Alteryx special zip, SZ, read write, Amazon, like there are different wide varieties of Amazon categories are there, formats. Okay, like this you can see Apache, you can see Box, CSV file, Databricks, Dropbox, ESRI and so on. It supports wide range of data sources. There are many are there. You can see even it supports SQLite. So these are the one. So if you see deprecated, it's a support removed in the recent versions is SharePoint list, published to Tableau server, Dynamic CRM, Google Sheets, Salesforce, Einstein Analytics, Salesforce Wave. So let's go back to the system requirements link. So I'll keep this link in the description section. So let's click on this particular link to cross verify the hardware and software requirements as and when required. So these hardware and software requirement varies based on the versions. So currently we are in 2023.2. So next again, so it has a virtual desktop infrastructure support as well. You can see this Alteryx supports persistence and non-persistence VDI deployment via Citrix. And even when it comes to the localization, it supports multi-language. Okay, so mostly we will be using English, but yes, so Alteryx Designer is available in these many languages: English, French, German, Japanese, Spanish, Brazilian, Portuguese, Italian and simplified Chinese. So these are the minimum or maximum or high performance system requirements for Alteryx Designer. So here this link is a very common. Under this you have many other information as well. So we'll be going through the workflows, we'll be going through the tools, functions and so on in the upcoming sessions. So that's all about it. So if you have any questions on Alteryx or any business intelligence tools, please drop your question in the comment section. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Also follow me on Facebook for more technical updates. Thank you for watching.